In my rush to escape the massive crowds, I realized I hadn't properly documented the Foucault Pendulum explanation, so it's back to the rotunda. Along the way, I discover a stunning connecting chamber with a celestial-themed ceiling. The blue background in the disk with 14 spikes almost looks like a graphic representation of the Big Bang or an exploding star. These subtle astronomical details are hidden everywhere. Once inside, I grabbed a quick shot of the copper plate explaining the Foucault pendulum. I'll share the full text in this video's description. It's a critical exhibit, showing how the Earth's rotation shifts the pegs into the path of the swinging ball, a constant reminder that we're on a spinning planet. I realized I had completely missed the rooftop. Up here, the weather finally cooperated. The sun came out, making the shadows long and distinct. And look, the Hollywood sign is much clearer now in the northwest. Despite my continuing shaky camera work, which I've slowed down in editing to save you from motion sickness, the view from the roof is just amazing. Down below, you can see the entire front lawn, which gives you a great overview of the whole site. I took a moment to capture the smaller telescope dome on the west side. In front of the large central dome, there's this crown-like copper structure. I believe this is the architectural cap where the Foucault pendulum cable is anchored inside the building. The contrast of the green copper against the flat white walls is stunning. Heading back down, you can see the dense, winding crowd traffic. My chest was practically touching the guy in front of me. Finally, we get to admire the intricate copper gates at the front entrance, which are currently flying a banner celebrating the observatory's 90th anniversary, 1935 to 2025. Look closely at the rectangular panels on the gate. They're covered in detailed, mysterious symbols. Walking toward the east side bus stop, the sky dramatically shifts. It's heavy, gray, and overcast here, creating a moody contrast with the sunny west side. The view over the city is still massive and expansive. You can hear the wind blowing hard as we wait for the shuttle. This bus, cash only, marks the end of my rushed visit. This place is incredible, but to truly appreciate all the astronomical, architectural, and historical details, I think a proper guided tour is necessary. Let's head back down.